Hello students, yes, this is your online maths class. We are doing exercise 12.1. We are dealing with question number 4. Okay. What is it? In the question they have given you the two sides of the given triangle and the perimeter. Its perimeter. We have to find its area. Okay. So for area, you can see that two sides. That is, I am assuming it as A and this is my small b. You can name the triangle A, B, C. In this triangle, two sides are given. We have to find the third side. So third side I am assuming as small c. What is the perimeter of any triangle? The perimeter of any triangle is as we have discussed earlier also. It is A plus B plus C. But according to question, what is the perimeter value given to you? 42 centimeter. So what is the value of A from here? In the diagram, it is 10. B is how much? 18 and C we have to find. So 42 equal to 28 plus C. So what is the value of C? The value of C is 42 minus 28. That is C is equal to 14 centimeter. All three sides are given to you. Now you know all the three sides. Can you find the area of triangle by Heron's formula? Okay, yes, I know that maximum students will say yes, we can find it. If any doubt will come, then you can tell me in the comment box or in the message. Okay. Now we can do question number 5. That is what it is saying. The sides of triangles are in the ratio of. Okay. There is a triangle whose sides ratio is given to you. Okay. So sides ratio is 12 ratio 17 ratio 25 and its perimeter is how much? In the question it is already given to you and that is 540 centimeter. We have to find its area. So if I come to know the three sides, we can find the area by Heron's formula. So my basic thing what we have to do is that I have to find the sides of triangle. Okay, so I'll assume all the three sides. I'm assuming it A, B and C. Let the first side is A, the second side is B, the third side is C. Okay, now you can see that the first ratio is given to you 12, second is 17, third is 25. So what I will do is let the sides of triangle be 12x, 17x, 25x. This concept we have done in 8th class in geometry section of chapter 4. I remember even the chapter name also. Okay, triangles and in its properties. Sorry, quadrilaterals and its properties in parallelogram. We have done it. Ratios, two sides ratio were given and we were assuming it in the form of x. तो पहली साइड को आपने क्या ले लिया 12x, दूसरी साइड को क्या ले लिया 17 और तीसरी को 25. तो पहली को आपने लिया है 12x, दूसरी को 17x और तीसरी को 25x. Okay. Now tell me what is the perimeter's formula of any triangle? Perimeter is A plus B plus C. But how much perimeter is given to you? Perimeter is given to you is 540. So what is the value of A? 12x, B 17x and C 25x. Add all of them. X, 5, 10, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. Carry 1. 3, 4, 5, 54x. So can I say it is 540 divided by 54. That is your x. Cancel it. What you are getting? 10. This implies the value of x is 10. Now by this I think you can find the value of a. The a will be, I am doing here only. Okay. You can do below itself. A will be 12 into 10. That is how much? 120 centimeter. B will be 17 into 10. That is how much? 170 centimeter. And the C will be 25 into 10. And that is what? That is 250. So all the values of A, B and C, you can see that very easily we have got all the three sides of the triangle. That is your 120, 170 and 250. Now I think by Heron's formula very easily you can find the area of this triangle. Okay students? Yes, students, question number 6. You can see that what it is in the question. An isosceles triangle has perimeter. First of all, what is the meaning of isosceles triangle? Any triangle whose two sides are equal are known as isosceles triangle. Okay, has perimeter 30 centimeter. Perimeter is already given to you, that is 30 centimeter. Okay, and its equal sides. Equal sides, I am taking AB and AC equal. I have put here the mark also that they are equal. Okay, and the equal sides are having a measurement of 12 centimeter each. Now the third side I don't know. Okay, but perimeter I know. So anyhow, okay, I'm assuming this as A, this is my B. So what I have to find? I have to find the small c. So anyhow, if I come to know the value of c, I can find the value of area of the complete triangle. So my thing is I have to find c. Okay, it is, you can see that it is same as question number 4. But still I am doing the little part of it. Okay, perimeter of any triangle. Perimeter is A plus B plus C. Okay, formula I think you know. Now perimeter is how much given to you? 30 centimeter. What is value of A? A is 12, B is also 12, C we don't know. Okay, now 30 is equal to 12 plus 12, 24 plus C. So C is how much? 24 will come this side in minus. So 30 minus 24 is 6 centimeter. So what is the third side of the triangle? The third side of the triangle is 6 centimeter. A you know, B you know, C you know. Can you find the area of triangle? Yes, I know that most of the students will say yes, we can find it. Yes students, if you are getting confused, you can learn only the thing that area of triangle is what? By Heron's formula it is S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, where A, B, C values you know, and what is S? S is A plus B plus C upon 2. Okay, so this, by using this formula, you can very easily find the area of triangle. Yes students, our exercise 12.1 is completed. Now the thing is, this is actually what? Area of triangle. In our syllabus, we have to do only area of triangle. We don't have to do area of quadrilateral. Yes, exercise 12.2, that is today's homework, 3 questions of this, and exercise 12.2, you will try few of its questions because these are based on only this formula. So please try, and doubt section of 12.2 I will take. Okay, thank you students.